Welcome back everyone to Namakando Academy, where we'll continue the series of looking at limits, and this is our fourth video. Hopefully you've followed us from the first one. Now in this discussion we delve into looking at the methods used to evaluate limits. So now, since limits are simply values that you get for a function as the input is approaching a certain value, it therefore means that we can evaluate them. So they can't be solved, but instead they can be evaluated, meaning that we arrive at a certain number, given that the limit is a number. So we need to evaluate them. Now, since they come in different forms, depending on the rule and the property, it's important to understand to say there will be different methods required in evaluating limits. So we start from basic until we reach to the advanced one. And in this discussion, we're just listing the rules, or rather the methods used. And in our next discussion, which will be the fifth video, we're going to look at how to now evaluate limits with the methods we're going to list here. The first one is direct substitution. First one is direct substitution. Okay. So look at it in details. Look at it vividly as we start evaluating. The second one is factorization. So you can evaluate limits by simply factorizing them. The third one is by simplification. So limits can be evaluated by simplifying them. The fourth one is by rationalization. So limits can be evaluated by simply means of rationalization. And the fifth one is by use of what is known as L'Hopital's rule. So these are the methods we're going to use to evaluate limits. Please make sure to follow all our social media platforms depending on where you're watching this from. And if it's on YouTube, share, subscribe, and also like our content. See you in the next discussion.